Hi, tech friends. Okay, today I'm going to show you how you can get out of this problem here. If you have your application gateway in a failed state, like I have here, application gateway is in a failed state. So how do you get out of it? How do you resolve it? So I'm just going to show you. This error can be caused by a lot of factors, right? So I'm not going to go into those factors. It's something you can actually go online and research about. Um, I mean, focus of this video is to show you how to resolve this, right? Okay, I'm gonna start like this. So far I know there are two ways I know currently right now. Okay, let me say the three approaches you can actually apply to actually get out of this problem. One is to escalate this issue to Azure support engineer. They will figure out the cost and they will provide solution for you, right? So I'm not going to do that now. So second approach is to use this tool here called resource.azure.com. So when you log in there, then you what the first thing to do is to log in with your credentials, and then you locate your subscription, then navigate to where you have your application gateway. So when you get to your application gateway, like I have here, so next thing you're going to do is to search for the backend settings causing settings you have configured in your application gateway. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to search for the backend settings. So when you locate it, like I have located mine here, pay attention to you need to pay attention to this part here, this part that says parts. Um, Quotation mark, then comma. So you see here that the value here is empty. Nothing is here. So this is a pretty way to resolve this. So what you need to do here is to go back, hop here and hit on edit, and then go back to that backend settings again. Um, you go back there again and yeah, so you go back there again like I have here. So so here you delete these two quotation marks, and then you key in this value now, and then once that is done, you can come back here and put hit put, and then once that is done, then you can go back to your application gateway, refresh your bucket settings, um, and then everything will be all right. So in my own case now, I have my two backend settings up and running fine, no issues. It's just that I don't know for now why this application gateway went into fail state. So that is one of the approaches you can actually apply to get this issue resolved. So another thing you can do, which I love doing all the time, if I don't want to use resources.azure.com. All right. So what I do, and that's what I'm going to show you. In this case, you discover that I didn't hit on put because I actually want to show you how you can use PowerShell to get this problem out of hand. All right. So I'm going to bring up my PowerShell. Um, so here I have my PowerShell script reading already. So this is our this is this the first two line here are there for you to connect to your Azure. All right. So then I'll run this command here, and that will get my application gateway out of face state. So pretty much, what is this command? What does it do? So first one here is to first of all understand my application gateway to get my application gateway. And then after that, I'll stop application gateway using this one. and then again I'll start it again using this command. So more or less like restarting it. Since application gateway doesn't have, if you check application gateway here, you see there's no button for start and a stop button like we have in VM. All right, so like if you click on this VM, we have start and restart and stop button. But in application gateway, we don't have this option, right? So, but we have that option um, if we are to use Azure PowerShell. All right, so that is exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to start. I'll copy out this one. Um, all right, let me just like this. And I'm going to paste. All right, I think it's too tiny. Let me try to increase the font so that you guys can see my work. Okay, good. So, all right, fine. So I'm going to paste the first a line of command there, and I'm going to hit enter. And I'll wait for this to complete. All right, good, done. So then I'll go ahead and stop my application gateway. All right, so right now I'm stopping my application gateway, and that is done. So next one, I'm going to restart my application gateway using this line of command here. And then once this is done, we'll go over to our application gateway to confirm if the fail state error is still there or not. And I guarantee you, this process will erase that error we have on our application gateway. So we'll just exercise um, more patience to make sure that this command is successfully done. Um, yeah, sometimes it takes about 8 to 10 seconds. I think right now it's getting more than that, so we just need to wait for additional probably 20 seconds more to ensure that this command is completed. Okay, while that is going on, we can come here and check status of from overview of application gateway. You can check status here that you see status has changed to updating due to the process going on here. All right. So once this is done, um, this status will change, and then we can go and review. I mean, status of our backend out and see what we have there. Um, I think I'm going to pause this video. Then I will return when this command is completed. Okay, you're welcome back. So the command is complete now, and we have what's it called, application gateway up and running with no issues anymore. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hit on my backend else just to check status of my application gateway if it's still in the fail state or not. So right now you can see that application gateway is no more in a fail state, and now so now my backend else is actually checking what's it called, F status of my backend servers to see if they are LD. All right, so they are not LD, so this is actually giving me another problem, so which is certificates related, is something I can actually troubleshoot in another video, in my next video. But to come back to the main issue, application gateway in a fail state has been resolved here. All right, so this is where I'm going to stop for today. Let me know what you think about this video. Like I said, like I always do, I'm gonna drop the PowerShell script that I use for this video. There's a description down below my video. So if you have any contribution to this video or how I can improve better, please hit the like button and put down your comments so I can review them later. Thank you, everyone. See you next time. Bye.